Hey guys, it's Janeena Chan and welcome to the very first episode of YRIDE Season 4 presented by Yamaha. I'm so excited to share you guys different styles that will really bring out the unique fashionista in you. By the way, the series is exclusively streamed on our official YouTube page, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment. Who knows, you might be one of our lucky winners to win our amazing prizes. Did you guys get all that? All right then, let's go. Just when you thought the Y2K trends couldn't possibly keep coming back, the fashion world throws you a big plot twist. For our first fit, it's a combination of streetwear and early 2000s aesthetic. For starters, you can try to pull off a graphic tee like this one with a loud design of your choice. Pair it with khaki cargo pants and sneakers. This outfit is best for casual days when you just want to be comfy riding around the city or to go to the mall. This style looks good, but I got more fits that bring out that unique style. Check this out. Our second outfit is for those who love pairing up the same color. Slaying this off can be a little challenging. It does take a little less mental energy, but it can also be pretty tricky to get right. For instance, our color for today is green. Now you can try to use different hues to highlight your overall look. And if you're going to a party or a date with your friends, you can try this combo. And I got one more outfit for you guys. This next one is one of my faves. Going retro is one of the most fashionable styles Gen Zs are really into right now. It's a style of dressing that's derived from vintage fashion inspired from past eras like the 70s, 80s, or 90s. Culturally outdated, but ironically never goes out of style. Just like our classic outfit today, the iconic bomber jacket really gives off an effortlessly cool vibe while being extra comfy too. You can pair it with your favorite vintage denim jeans to create an overall retro look, and I think it's really a style that's uniquely timeless. Actually really perfect for my ride today on the Mio Fazzio, and I think I've chosen my OOTD guys. Ready to ride with me outside? Ta-da! fun to go on a ride, but don't forget that it's also always fashionable to be safe on the road. And there you have it. It's great that we get to express and play with unique styles that are perfectly you. you. Thanks for watching. This has been Janeena Chan, and remember to catch next week's episode featuring Agassi Ching. And remember that only Yamaha revs your heart. Different styles.